Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use the new Image Playground feature in iOS 18. Image Playground is a new AI-powered feature coming to devices running iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS 15 that will let users generate images using prompts. It will let users generate original images using prompts directly on their devices. Now enter a prompt and Image Playground will show you a preview of the image to be generated along with a few different images you can choose from. This also means that devices have to be quite powerful to generate images without having to access cloud-based resources. Users can generate images of almost anything using Image Playground with prompts, and they don't even have to enter highly detailed prompts. Just typing in words, ideas, and concepts will allow AI to generate images based on those. You can also add descriptions using the text box if you have something particular in mind. Image Playground can also pick up ideas and concepts from conversations and suggest images that make the conversations more engaging and fun. Image Playground will then generate multiple options for an image of a cat in a chef hat that seems to be preparing a meal for a party. Image Playground has a few other nifty tricks as well, depending on which app you use it in. The tool will then transform into more detailed artwork depending on your sketch and the context around it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.